girl Mahogany back with another video, and today I am officially moving back into school. And it is my sophomore year at Johnson & Wells, and my major is fashion, merchandise, and retailing. I'm already packed in the car. I'm just, I don't know, waiting for everybody to get finished getting dressed and stuff. So, see you guys on the road. I was gonna be another mountain. Sorry. Hey guys. She's shy. Yeah. You camera shy too. Yeah. Ooh. My hair ain't gonna stop. Because you gotta go to the right. We gotta go to the left. Go to the left. She can take everybody to the car.
Did you give us your number before? Okay.
You gotta go that way. Misha gotta go that way. See you later, honey. Have fun at your concert. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too.
Love you. It's like, y'all too love you. Let me know when y'all get there.
All right, baby. She said, make sure you share it back, baby. Here she go with this phone again. I do need to fix it.
You walk back in by yourself?
Yes, ma'am. That's fine.
And when you walk by yourself, that's how you supposed to walk.
Man, grandma about to get heat. She trying to listen to some men telling her to go. No, grandma, you can't go in no crosswalk. Can't go in no crosswalk. So I done brought the camera out. Everybody want to be far away from me, huh?
Oh, I didn't know that you still doing it.
Yeah. It's hot. For me? Oh. She's talking about me. They might be feeding us today. I know people was in there earlier. So don't cry. I'm coming back, sis. Come on. It's hot. Crosswalk. I wonder if you can see the buildings. I'll probably show y'all my after video of my bed once I get back to my dorm. I have to walk mom and them to the car to say my goodbyes. Yeah, I got a big head. It's really hot. This is what I look like. Not kidding. Maybe your phone. I think that's your phone. It's just really hot. Tell me what you wanna do tonight. I wish you could flip the camera. Yeah, when recording. He might hear. I'll probably eat some.
Sister, drop you off?
Yeah. Just when you go right back up.
I'm getting in here.
Bye, y'all.
Bye. Love you.
Love y'all too. Real niggas hold it down. Love you too. Call me when you get home.
Okay. Call me when you get home. Okay.
Oh, y'all. So, kind of getting sad, you know. I will see them on a break, but now I have to move my car to the 3rd through the 4th level, or like how many levels it is or whatever. So then the young nigga won't get told. You feel me? I am like hungry. I haven't ate like at all today. So I'm probably thinking like Subway or Buffalo Wild Wings. One or the other. If I get Buffalo Wild Wings, I'll probably just go in my room right now probably and show y'all what my room look like I said before. And then wait and see what my roommate doing. And then we probably go to Buffalo Wild Wings. Parking ticket probably like Monday. Well, I don't really tell you how much it costs, but I'll probably get it Monday just to be on the safe side. And I'm about to walk to my dorm, so I'll see you guys when I get back. This is what our door looks like. And then once you come in to the right, you got our bathroom. We probably put some more stuff in here. A sink. And then this is mine. I'll show y'all my room in a minute. That's my roommate's room. This is me. I can pull up my pants on. This is me. This is our, I guess you could say, our vanity area. Our common area. This is the bathroom. We're gonna put another shower curtain on here because it's the one that came with the school. And this is the rock view to my room. So this is what my room looks like when the lights are on. And I'm gonna give you a detour before I turn the lights off. So I have my mirror. My mirror probably gonna go on my wall. And then I have my rug, laundry basket, trash can, don't mind that. Refrigerator came with the school, chair, another chair. I have to take my clothes out of the bags. And I have my towels in there, hats, laundry, paper towel, tissue. What else? What's in this one? I have my shoes, all my shoes, and then I have my food products in here. Okay. So since I'm in the dorm by myself, I have two of everything. So this is the first one, first dresser. Stuff that I packed. TV. Got my fan, got my book bags. Over here I have my lamp. A little bright, have my lamp. My computer. I'm gonna put my computer charger underneath so then it like go through. And then I have my pens, alcohol, water bottle. Have my mirror, of course. I'm probably gonna put some cereal in those. And if I fix noodles or sandwiches, I'll probably use that. Then I have my photo book and my king size bed. And then I'm gonna show y'all the view afterwards. After I show y'all what my room looks like with the lights. So this video is gonna be all over the place, but I finally put up my tapestry. And my room is finally how I want it to be. Now back to the video. Is what my room looks like when the lights are sort of off. I'll probably show y'all again once like it gets dark or whatever. This is what my room looks like. It's still a little light in here, so you can't really see my LED lights. I got my LED lights from Walmart, and I got that from Dollar General. And it was only like $4, so why not? And this is only probably like $12, I think. Okay, so I forgot to do an outro, but thank you guys for watching my video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the notification button so when you know when the next video is posted.